I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put one more thin coat.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on it. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm round in the corner.
I have a Ford Raptor here. This is one of the newer aluminum bodied trucks. This one is gonna get a new door skin, just the outer panel on the front door. I have that new panel here. Then it gets a new complete rear door. I have to repair the cab corner area right here, repair the bedside in this area, and then it's getting this lower extension of the wheelhouse right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start on this cab corner, repair the panel right here, this little area right here, hang the rear door on it, and then I will dive into the door skin next after I get this straightened out, and then I will do the bedside area last. So I gotta do some adjustment on this door. I'm looking at the body line right here, and the door is sitting, it's pretty even, but it's sitting slightly high, and it's a little tight. So I need to move, I'm gonna move the door down first, and then I'm gonna have to move it forward just a hair to make that gap a little wider. It's slightly tight right here. Now depending on what type of adjustment you need to get, there's different adjustments you can get where the door mounts to the hinges compared to where the door mounts to the post. So first, to get my downward movement, I'm gonna take it loose at the door and drop it down a little bit. Now that gave me the height right about where I want it. So now, in order to move it forward, I'm gonna have to pull this trim loose to take these, because these are bolted from the inside, these hinges, and that'll allow me to move this door forward just a hair. I moved it a little too much, just a little too big now, so I'm gonna move it back. Very little movement here will make a big difference over here. So just a 0.5 millimeter movement right here can be 2 or 3 millimeters at this end of the door. All right, I got this door all adjusted, looking good. So I'm gonna go ahead and start working this cab corner back into shape. So those studs, I got the metal out where I want it, but those studs pulled a couple little holes in it, and I have to weld those up before I put filler on it. So I'm gonna zap those little holes up, and then this cab corner will be ready for plastic. Alright, I got this cab corner all finished up. Came out nice. I'm gonna go ahead and dive into this bedside now, actually. It's gonna get this new extension here. And I believe when that's cut out, this is all kind of rolled in. Whenever I cut that out, that's kind of holding it all in. It'll release some, and then I'll be able to work out this damage up in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this extension out first, and then start repairing this side panel. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put one more thin coat over this. I wasn't totally happy with how it was looking. Well, I just about have this bedside, all this outer panel and everything all straightened out. I have this wheelhouse extension, I just had it clamped in there just to hold the panel steady while I worked on that. But I'm gonna go ahead and take this back out, and I'm gonna go ahead and rivet bond that piece in place and let that set up, and then this will be ready for primer. Time for this front door skin now. I'm gonna lift this front door off and go ahead and start cutting this door skin off. So what I'm doing here is this door skin, the metal is folded around the door shell, the lip of it, so I'm grinding the edge to separate it. And then you can see how I'm separating that lip there, and that'll remove this door skin off of here.